Start in 1 minute. Please be seated. Brace yourselves for a night filled with grace, elegance, and empowerment. Welcome to Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. Tonight, we are honored to have with us a distinguished panel of celebrity judges. Each one is an icon in their own field. They will take on the prestigious role of selecting this year's queen. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the panel of judges. Judge number 1, a Filipino-German model, a familiar face in Philippine pageantry and fitness. He is the Century Tuna Superbots 2022, holding the title of Mr. Pilipinas International 2025. Our judge number 1, Mr. Kirk Bondad. Our next judge is a model and brand ambassador, Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide 2023. He competed in Mr. Supranational in Poland in 2024 and won as the second runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, our judge number 2, Mr. Brandon Espiritu. Our third judge, a model, actor, and host. The first historic win of the Philippines in the Mr. Global pageant. Mr. Global 2024, Mr. Dom Corilla. Our fourth judge, businessman and Filipino shoe designer, the shoe provider of various big event pageants in the Philippines and abroad, including Binibining Pilipinas, Miss Universe Philippines, and the most celebrated Miss International Queen and Miss Universe pageant, the owner of Jojo Bragais, Walk, Win, our Filipino pride, Mr. Jojo Bragais. Our fifth judge, a Filipino beauty queen who was crowned Miss Philippines Earth 2025. She is slated to represent the Philippines at Miss Earth 2025 in November this year. Our fifth judge, Miss Joy Barcoma. Our sixth judge, a commercial and brand model, a businesswoman, crowned Binibining Pilipinas International 2021 and competed in Japan for Miss International pageant on the same year. The Miss International 2018 first runner-up, Miss Universe Philippines 2025, Miss Atisa Manalo. And our chairperson of the selection committee is a true citizen of the world. She graces the skies with an open heart, a jet setter whose passport is as full as her calendar. From walking the streets of Europe to diving the waters of Africa, she's seen the best the world has to offer in culture, fashion, and style, with a keen eye for elegance and appreciation for beauty in all forms. A former flight attendant of the royal family in Brunei, an avid diver, and advocate of the ocean cleanup drives. Today, she is the vice president of Eagle Point Villas Incorporated, a passionate supporter of charity and church works in Bicol region, proving that true beauty shines through kindness and service. A devoted wife and a happy grandmother of 5. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the ever-inspiring, globe-trotting, Legazpi's very own Miss Marie Liaguno Quisumbing. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the invocation, followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem by Maricel Bonobra, Joshua Madrid, and Heavenly Grace Bayonito.
Humble themselves and turn from their wicked ways, I will hear from heaven and forgive their sins. I will hear from heaven and heal their land. Lord, heal our land. Father, heal our land. Hear our cry and turn our nation back to you. Lord, heal our land. Hear us, O Lord, and heal our land. Forgive our sin and heal our broken heal our land. silanganan, hanap ng puso, sa lipi mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tulad ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy, sa langit mong bukaw, may nilagang tula at awit sa layang minamahal. Ang kislap ng wataw at mo'y tagumpay na nanininig, ang bituin at araw niyang kailan may magdidinig. Lumalang araw ng wangangin magsingka, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ay kaya na pag may mga api, ang mamaglayan dahil sa'yo.
Please be seated. Mutya ng Ibalang 2025 is brought to life through the dedication, passion, and commitment of our esteemed Executive Committee. Tonight, we extend our heartfelt gratitude and invite everyone to offer them a warm round of applause. Starting up with our Head Secretariat, Ms. 𝐂𝐞𝐳𝐶. Executive Assistant, Ms. John Stephanie Lucila. Overall Head of Production, Miss Gina Ritter-Lee. Executive Producer, Miss Nashreen Garbin. First Lady, Miss Kay Ismail. And our Executive Committee Chairman, Counselor Maria Paz Salud Sunshine Imperial. We are also honored by the presence of our beloved city officials, whose leadership continues to bring pride and progress to Legazpi City. Ladies and gentlemen, Secretary to the Sangguniang, Ms. Maria Leticia Bello. City Councilor, Representative, BPSK President, Legazpi City Chapter, ex-official member, Honorable John Nicolas Garbin. City Councilor Representative, Liga ng mga Barangay, Honorable Attorney Amore Rex Rañeses. City Councilors, Honorable Renato Valladolid. Honorable Vicente Baltasar III. Honorable Alexander Giao. Honorable Roberto Rafael Lucila II. Honorable Joseph Philip Lee. Honorable Charlton Lahara. Honorable Ismael Buban IV. Honorable Lawrence Beltran. Honorable Alan Ranyola. And Honorable Maria Paz Salud Imperial. We also have with us our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Luis Felipe Gutierrez. And to officially open this grand celebration, let us welcome the youngest leader of our city, bringing with him a bold vision of positive change, inclusive growth, and progress for all, our Honorable Mayor, Hisham Ismail.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great honor to welcome all of you tonight to the coronation of Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. This event is one of the most anticipated highlights of our Ibalong Festival, a night where beauty, culture, and dreams shine together under one spotlight. The Mutya ng Ibalong is more than just a competition. It is a celebration of the modern Filipina, confident, intelligent, graceful, and resilient. It provides a stage for dreamers, young women who dare to step forward with courage not only to pursue crowns and titles, but also to embrace the greater purpose of inspiring others and uplifting communities. To our candidates, whether you win the crown tonight or not, know that you are already winners by standing on this stage. You have shown your strength, your confidence, and your dreams. You carry with you the pride of Legazpi, Albay, and Bicolandia, and the hope of many young women who look up to you. Remember, that true beauty does not fade with time because it is rooted in character, kindness, and the passion to serve. As we crown our new Mutya ng Ibalong 2025 this evening, let us also celebrate every woman's power to lead, influence, and transform society for the better May tonight remind us all that beauty and purpose, when combined, can change lives and even the world. Sa Giraray, good evening everyone, and let us all enjoy the rest of the evening. Diyos mabalos po, Giraray, sa pagdigdi. Salamat and Happy Ibalong Festival 2025.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Hisham Ismail.
Bring on the rockets, walk the wire, live in the moment, make it wilder. Light up the matches, feed the fire, take every second a little bit higher. Pulling the punches, don't hold back. Loving the madness, let's go fast. Ready for some action. Some action. It feels amazing when hearts are racing faster than the speed of lightning. Bringing the pure gold, it never gets old. Oh my, I can't help but like it. Give me the crazy, don't hold back. Loving the madness, let's get ready for some action. Some action. Lights, camera, drop the hammer, take it faster. Lights, camera, yeah. Lights, camera, drop the hammer, take it faster. Lights, camera, yeah. Ready for some action.
Tonight, we gather not only to witness beauty and brilliance, but also to celebrate the heart and soul of the Bicolano people, who will be the next face of pride, heritage, and empowerment. Legazpi, are you ready? Live at the Ibalong Centrum for Recreation, Legazpi City. Welcome to the most awaited night of beauty and culture. Mutya ng Ibalong 2025!
Bisaya kaming dalawa para mag-feeling local. Pre-practice ko na sa likod.
May Bisaya, may Waray, hindi nagkakalayo.
Oo nga, di ba? Maayong gabi is...
And might I just say, good evening sa aking
Yes.
napakagandang co-host, a certified queen. Grabe, Miss MJ.
Dinidimples mo kami, ni-etchos mo pa ako.
Natutunan ko lang kay Mayor yun eh. Anyway, welcome to the most prestigious search in the city of fun and adventure. Ang Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. Of course, we'd like to invite everyone to please give a round of applause to our 20 gorgeous candidates and their grand performance kanina. Kasama po ang ating reigning queen, si Mary Joy Tarilay, and of course, the GRD dancers. Might I say, they look fabulous in their costumes by Apple Santillan Creations. Ladies, you all look amazing tonight.
Of course, partner, before anything else, you look dashing. Bayad niya po ako sa likod. Nag-Gcash na yan kanina. Anyways, maraming salamat po first of all to our Mayor, Hisham Ismail. Thank you and the rest of the City Council who's looking so dashing also with their abaka-made barongs, ang popogi nila. And the rest of the City of Legazpi, maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita sa amin tonight. Excited kaming makipagmarihan sa inyo dito sa Ibalong Festival. And tonight, we celebrate not only beauty, but also the intelligence, heart, and cultural pride of every Bicolana who dares to take the spotlight. And among our dazzling candidates, one will rise to represent the city embodying grace, wit, and empowerment.
That's true, MJ. And joining us tonight is a local talent who I hear is making waves in his hosting career. So please, everyone, samahan niyo po ako i-welcome ang gustuing host ng Legazpi City, Mr. Gus Borja.
Alright, maraming salamat Tom and MJ, and hello to you guys. Finally, welcome to our very province, the province of Albay. Come on, people of Legazpi City. Palakpakan naman po natin Tom and MJ, everybody. And of course, everybody, I am Gus, the gustuing host of Legazpi City. I will be your side host for tonight. At ngayong gabi po, before we proceed right to our next segment here, ladies and gentlemen, it is actually my task to honor and acknowledge all of our department heads who are here. We have their amazing esteemed presence here tonight, and thank you so much for gracing our prestigious event right here at the Mutya ng Ibalong 2025 stage. Maraming salamat po for all of your hard work and everything you made it just to make this a beautiful pageant a successful reality. Let us begin, of course. We have the city government of Legazpi. We have our department heads tonight. Let us begin with our city administrator, Miss Grace R. Bachiller. Palakpakan naman po natin all the members of our audience. Why don't we all give them an astounding round of applause? Let us carry on with our list here. We have our city treasurer, Miss Carlita de Guzman. Carry on, everybody. We have our city accountant, Miss Gloria E. Aringo. We also have our city budget officer, Mr. Jeffrey Navarro. We also have our city planning and development coordinator, Ms. Jocelyn M. Codorniz. Also joining us tonight is our city legal officer, Attorney Noel Allen Bose. Palakpakan po natin. Come on, people of Legazpi and people of Bicolandia. Every time I hear and I shout a name, tayo po ay pumalakpak ngayong gabi. We also have our General Services Officer, Ms. Maria Chona Riocasa. Continuing tonight is our City Human Resource Management Officer. I'd like to say hi to you. We have Mr. Darlito A. Perez Jr. Hi, Sir Dar. We also have our City Assessor, Engineer Eduardo A. Luna Jr. Together with us tonight, we have our City Veterinarian Officer, Mr. Emmanuel Estipona. Also joining us tonight is our Officer in Charge, City Health Officer, Dr. Francis Gerald Gomez. We also have our Officer in Charge, Office of the City Civil Register, Miss Priscilla Galicia. Also joining us this evening is our City's Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Officer, Engineer Melody Azura. We also have our city engineer tonight, Engineer Clemente Ibo. Maraming salamat din po for being part of this City Social Welfare and Development Officer, Ms. Cecilia Arastilla. We also have our internal auditor, Ms. Joanne Hamisal. Also joining us tonight is our officer in charge of Legazpi City Hospital, Dr. Lady Ann Serrano. Wow. All right, we also have the following people tonight. Our city agriculturist, Ms. Sheila Arnaz. Also joining us this evening as our officer in charge, Office of the City Environment and Natural Resources, Mr. Linu Benju Calleja. We also have our Public Employment Services Officer, Mr. Justado Rañeses. Thank you, sir. Also have our Business Permits and Licensing Officer, Ms. 𝐈𝐛𝐚𝐥𝐸 C. Viñas. We also have our Attorney 4, Officer in Charge, Office of Resettlement, Housing and Community Development, BAC Chairman, Attorney Rafaela Albor. Okay, we have our Executive Assistant 4, Mr. Ronaldo Garbin. Executive Assistant number 4, Mr. Joselito Martinez. Also joining us tonight, Executive Assistant 3, Ms. Jan Stephanie Lucila. Hello, Ma'am Jaja. Maraming salamat din po. You are also part of this Executive Assistant 2, Mr. Marian Go. We also have our Executive Assistant, Focal Person of 888 Concerns, Mr. Jesus Calisin. Our Head for the City Economic and Investment Promotions Division, Ms. Maria Teresa Nunez. Our Officer in Charge, City Anti-Drug Abuse Council, Ms. Debbie Baltasar. Let us carry on tonight. We also have the following people. Officer in Charge, City Tourism Services Division, Mr. Ricky Laterte. Hello, Sir Ricky. Please also join us tonight. We have our Information Technology Officer, Mr. Richard Yuson. Also part of this, we have Officer in Charge, Gender and Development, Ms. Marites Pasa. Maraming salamat din po to our Officer in Charge, Persons with Disability Affairs Office, Ms. Catalina Maranya. Next up, we have our Officer in Charge, Legazpi Youth Development Division, Mr. Roxanne Baldoza. We also have our Officer in Charge, Public Safety Officer, Mr. Octavio Rivero. Also part of this, our Officer in Charge, Museum Curator, Ms. Arlene Dawala. Our Officer in Charge, Task Force Kalinigan, Kaayusan, Kalikasan at Negosyo, Mr. Mark Andy Marbella. We also have our Market Supervisor for Valpay Public Market, Mr. Ralph Vincent Lasin. We also have our Officer in Charge, Legazpi Market Administrator, Mr. Ronald Pasano. And our Head, the Civil Security Unit, Mr. Alvar Olivario. We also have our Head, Building Maintenance Unit, Mr. Eduardo Azupardo. And to complete our list of department heads tonight, our team leader for the Smoke-Free Unit, Mr. Jose Buenafe Balbin. Palakpakan naman po natin all of our dignified department heads tonight. And you know what, everybody? I am sure you are also excited of what's happening here tonight. People of Legazpi City, people of Bicolania, I hope you are all ready because aside from our people viewing this physically here tonight, we also have our viewing public online. Get ready, everybody. Let us get this show started tonight. But of course, I would like to bring the stage back to our two main hosts tonight, Tom and MJ. Back to you guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to turn up the heat as we move to one of the most exciting parts of the competition.
Yes.
Now, are you all ready to see our candidates in their swimwear attires?
Alam mo, yung mata mo iba.
Teka, yung hindi ko ata.
Parang kung ako, okay, because I've been to so many pageants, pero yung ngiti mo dahil swimsuit competition.
May kutitap pa.
Tama. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for confidence, charm, and elegance as our candidates showcase their curves in stunning swimsuit designed by FDAP President and renowned swimsuit designer Kathy Capistrano with Mutya ng Legazpi Tourism 2024, Mildred Villarin. This is the Mutya Mutya ng Ibalong 2025 Swimsuit Competition.
Show 'em what I'm made of. I keep pushing, climbing, gonna rise up. I got power, I'm spreading my wings. I got a fire inside. I'm a woman on top. W-O-M-A-N. Keep moving, don't stop. M-O-V-I-N. Get up, go. Get up, move. Get up, roll. I'm gonna show you how. Just watch me. Faster, turn it up. Stronger, burn it up. Better, move it up. Work it, shake it up. Move it, take it up. Get it, light it up. Move, work hard. I'm an everyday warrior. Salute, I'm a don't stop soldier. I'm empowered and I'm rising above. It's a woman's world. I'm a woman on top. W-O-M-A-N. Keep moving, don't stop. Move. M-O-V-I-N. Move. Get up, go. Move. Get up, move. Get up, roll, roll. I'm gonna show you how.
Yes, no, maybe so. Like a rocket gonna blast off, watch me go. Yay, yay, say my name. Haters gonna hate, but I'm hotter than the game, so ha. Hello, bye-bye. Everybody looking at me, but I don't mind. Cause damn, straight, righteous as what? Hungry like a wolf, gonna get me some. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Fat stacks, buy me up. Thirsty for $1 and a lot of cheap luck. Sweet sweat, busting my chops, and I won't stop to the top. So high, hello, bye bye. Sitting pretty good from the mountainside, earning my shots, but I take it in stride. I want what I want, and I'll make it mine. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Me and my army, we gonna blow up your party. We gonna blow up your party, cause we ain't sweet like your mommy. Me and my army, we gonna blow up your party. We gonna blow up your party, cause we ain't sweet like your mommy. Come on now, let's work, check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work.
Mutya 1, Hemina Nicole Cordial, representing Camarines Sur. She's 24 years old and stands 5'4" in height and fits the tape at 32, 24, and 35. And here is Mutya 2, Camille Briones from Masbate. She's 24 years old, stands 5'5" in height, and fits the tape at 32, 29, and 36.
Come on now, let's work. Come on now, let's see it out. Yes, no, maybe so. Like a rocket gonna blast off, watch me go. Yay, yay, say my name. Haters gonna hate, but I'm hotter than the game, so ha. Hello, bye bye. Everybody looking at me, but I don't mind.
Here's Mutya number 3. Euniza Blessed Deepless from Masbate, 22 years old, stands 5'4" in height and measures 32, 27, and 34.
Come on now, let's work. Fat stacks, buy me up. Pussy for $1 and a lot of cheap luck. Sweet sweat, busting my chops, and I won't stop to the top. So hot. Hello, bye bye. Sitting pretty good from the mountainside. Earning my shots while I take it in stride. I want what I want and I'll make it mine. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work.
Following her is Mutya 4. Rika Jane Peñalba from Sorsogon, 22 years old, stands 5'4" in height and hugs the tape at 34, 24, and 37.
Your party, 'cause we ain't sweet like your mommy. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work.
And here is Mutya number 5, Linel Navidad from Albay. She's 23 years old, stands 5'6" in height, and measures 32, 24, and 35.
Come on now, let's work. Come on now, check it out. Come on now, let's work. Come on now.
And here's Mutya number 6, Ricky and Yonila from Sorsogon, 17 years old, stands 5'6", and fits the tape at 32, 24, and 32.
Yes, no, maybe so. Like a rocket gonna blast off, watch me go. Yay, yay, say my name. Haters gonna hate, but I'm harder than the game, so hot. Hello, bye-bye, everybody looking at me, but I don't mind. 'Cause damn, straight, righteous as what? Hungry like a wolf, gonna get me some. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now.
Mutya number 7, Rochelle Monique Obispo from Legazpi City, 25 years old, stands 5'7" in height, and measures 34, 26, and 36.
Earning my shots while I take it in stride. I want what I want and I'll make it mine. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Me and my army, we gonna blow up your party. We gonna blow up your party, 'cause we ain't sweet like your mommy. Me and my army, we gonna blow up your party.
Mutya number 8, Micaela Ashley Brutas from Ligao City, 20 years old, stands 5'7" in height, and measures 33, 26, and 34.
Come on now. Come on now, let's work.
And here is Mutya number 9, Rima Adacoden from Camarines Sur, 24 years old, stands 5'8" in height, and hikes the tape at 32, 25, and 35.
Come on now, let's work. Come on now, check it
And completing the first batch is Mutya number 10, Alein Custodio from Bombon, Camarines Sur. She's 18 years old, stands 5'9" in height, and measures 32, 26, and 35. Starting our second batch with Mutya number 11, Angela Shariza Omnestino from Ginubatan, Albay, 22 years old, stands 5'9" in height, and measures 32 and a half, 24, and 35. Mutya number 12, 𝐈𝐛𝐚𝐥𝐸, all the way from Masbate, 23 years old, stands 5'9" in height, and hugs the tape at 30, 23, and 32. And here's Mutya 13, Iris Oresca from Naga City, 24 years old, 5'7" in height, and measures 33, 25, and 35.
Yes, no, maybe so. Like a rocket gonna blast off, watch me go. Yay, yay, say my name. Haters gonna hate, but I'm hotter than the game, so hi. Hello, bye-bye. Everybody looking at me, but I don't mind, cause damn straight, righteous as what? Hungry like a wolf, gonna get me some. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work.
Mutya 14, Ori Balonso from Legazpi City, 25 years old, stands 5'5" in height, with a body measurement of 34, 26, and 36.
Sitting pretty good from the mountainside. Earning my stripes, so I take it in stride. I want what I want, and I make it mine. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Me and my army, we gonna blow up your party. We gonna blow up your party. 'Cause we ain't
Mutya 15, Rica Stephanie Ubaldo from Cabusao, Camarines Sur, 18 years old, stands 5'5", and measures 34, 25, and 35.
Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work.
Mutya 16, 𝐈𝐿 from Tabaco City, 17 years old, stands 5'6", and measures 33, 22, and 35. Mutya 17, Angelica May Palero from Bulusan, Sorsogon, 17 years old, stands 5'5" in height, and measures 32, 25, and 34.
Yes, no, maybe so. Like a rocket gonna blast off, watch me go. Yay, yay, say my name. Haters gonna hate, but I'm hotter than the game, so ha. Hello, bye-bye. Everybody looking at me, but I don't mind. Cause damn, straight, righteous as what?
Mutya 18, Alexandra Krishna Orino from Pulangi, Albay. 21 years old, 5'4" in height, and measures 34, 26, and 36.
Let's work. Fat stacks, buy me up. Thirsty for $1 and a lot of cheap luck. Sweet sweat, busting my chops, and I won't stop to the top. So hot. Hello, bye-bye. Sitting pretty good from the mountainside. Earning my shots while I take it in stride. I want what I want and I make it mine. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now.
Mutya 19, Arvia May Sarte from Sorsogon City. 23 years old, stands 5'5", and measures 34, 27, and 39.
Meet me and my army. We gonna blow up your party. We gonna blow up your party. Cause we ain't sweet like your mommy. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work.
Mutya 20, Yvonne Karen Norila Rosas from Masbate. 22 years old, stands 5'4", and measures 32, 24, and 36.
Come on now, let's work. Come on now, check it out. Come on now, let's work. Come on now, check it out. Come on now, let's work. Come on now, check it out. Come on now, let's work. Come on now, let's check it out. Yes, no, maybe so. Like a rocket gonna blast off, watch me go. Yay, yay, say my name. Haters gonna hate, but I'm hotter than the game, so ha. Hello, bye-bye. Everybody looking at me, but I don't mind. Cause damn, straight, righteous as what? Hungry like a wolf, gonna get me some. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Check it out. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Come on now. Come on now, let's work. Fat stacks, buy me up. Thirsty for $1 and a lot of cheap luck. Sweet sweat, busting my chops.
As we continue the Mutya ng Ibalong 2025 journey, we take a moment to extend our gratitude to our valued partners and supporters. Now, through these awards, our corporate sponsors honor the candidates who best reflect their brand's values and vision, and each distinction celebrates not only beauty, but also grace, character, and the true spirit of excellence.
Yes, and now we present the first set of special recognitions, the corporate awards. Let me remind everyone that these awards are in no way included in the judging for the crown. Okay, let's start with Miss Lacquer Nails.
Presenting the award, Miss Ashley Loyola and Miss Shelly Reyes. The winner will receive 1-year unlimited premium nail and lash services certificate and bouquet.
And our Miss Lacquer Nails is candidate number 5, Miss Lionel Navidad.
special award is for Miss Anaya Skin and Beauty Lounge.
Presenting the award, Miss Lizelle Bartolome, Miss Lian Micoleta. The winner will receive 20,000 worth of aesthetic services.
And our Miss Anaya Skin and Beauty Lounge is candidate number 18, Alexandra Krishna Orino.
Next up is Miss Hotel Areca.
Presenting the award, Mr. Renz Ero, General Manager, and Mr. Jojo Soler. The winner will receive 5,000 pesos cash, 10,000 peso voucher, along with a 50% discount on room accommodations for 1 year during her reign.
And Miss Hotel Areca is candidate number 9, Rima Adacodan.
Our next special award is for Miss Marison Hotel.
Presenting the award, Miss Emeline Landagan, Senior Banquet and Event Specialist. Mr. Cassie Bibon, Sales and Marketing Supervisor. The winner will receive an overnight stay at Deluxe Room for 2 and 2,000 peso worth of gift certificate.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for your Miss Marison Hotel candidate number 5, Linel Navidad.
Next up is Mutya ng Ibalong Pacific Mall 2025.
Presenting the award, Miss Marites Ala, Marketing Manager, Mr. Roy Ascudia, Operations Officer. The chosen Mutya ng Ibalong Pacific Mall 2025 shall receive 10,000 pesos cash, bouquet, trophy, and sash.
And she is candidate number 18, Alexandra Krishna Orino.
We will meet our Mutya ng Ibalong Metro Legazpi 2025.
Presenting the award, Miss Angeline Granada, Ad and Promotions Liaison Officer. The winner will receive 10,000 peso worth of gift certificate, bouquet, and sash.
Your Mutya ng Ibalong Metro Legazpi 2025 is none other than candidate number 18, Alexandra Krishna Orino once more.
Next up is for Miss Max Smile.
Presenting the award, Miss Genevieve Bibon, Restaurant General Manager, McDonald's Gregorian Mall. The winner will receive 5,000 peso worth of gift certificate.
And she is candidate number 1, Jamina Nicole Cordial.
Next up, we have our Miss Gen Z Co.
Presenting the award for Miss Jansco, Engineer Erico Manaog and Miss Rowena Manaog. The winner will receive 1 unit Daikin air conditioning with free installation and 20,000 pesos in cash.
The Miss Gen Z Co is candidate. Sasabihin ko ba candidate number 18?
And last, we are awarding Miss City's Kitchen.
Presenting the award, Miss Telma Barrientos Ismail and Miss Sheila Ayala. The winner will receive cash and sash.
And she is candidate number 1, Jamina Nicole Cordial. You know what, partner? Before anything else, I would like to give an early congratulations to the beautiful ladies that the members of our 𝐋𝐢𝐯. Palakpakan naman po. They said it's their first time doing a pageant and so far so good. Napakaganda ng pageant. Sabi ng partner ko.
Pang-national.
Oo, ang ganda ng stage, di ba? Bongga. Congratulations.
Congratulations, and of course, congratulations to all our lovely candidates. Ladies, you may now go backstage to prepare for the next segment.
Okay, so we are back here on the side of our competition tonight. I hope everybody is having a great time watching the much-awaited Mutya ng Ibalong 2025, the Grand Coronation Night. Let me also take this part of our time here to actually congratulate all of our ladies. They all did a great job and that definitely showed on stage tonight. And to Tom and MJ, I am just really happy that they are here sharing the very stage with me tonight. Ngayon naman po sa pagkakataong ito, let me take this moment, the honor to actually thank all the people who added value to the whole run of Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. I am referring to our very supportive partners. These are our sponsors tonight. Simulan po natin with our co-presenter this evening. We have Signal TV. Okay, let's carry on with our partners. That is our co-presenter, Signal TV. Also have our gold sponsors, Yashano Mall and Hong Enterprises. We also have Bicol Isarog, Hotel St. Ellis, City's Kitchen, Ako Bicol Party List, Rapid Works Construction and Supply, our silver sponsors: La Piazza Hotel and Convention Center, SM City Legazpi, The Oriental Hotel Legazpi, Ayala Malls Legazpi, Philippine Airlines, STI College Legazpi, Hotel Centro, Davis Paints, The Marison Hotel, SIP or SIP Purified Water. We also have our bronze partners or our sponsors tonight, 𝐌𝐿𝐮𝐿 Cement. We have McDonald's, Aurelius Lechon, Godfather Pizza, GSAC, Bison, Delta Homes, All Power. We also have Development Bank of the Philippines, Tres Rios Resort, Tanduay, Rasi LR Aggregates, our festival ally, San Miguel Beer Incorporated. We also have Land Bank of the Philippines, community partners tonight, Pacific Mall, Lucky Fortune, Welcome Depot, RYU or Ryu Construction, Veterans Bank, Palanca Printing Press. We also have Legazpi Premium Development Corporation, Willie & Sons. And of course, we have JNC Express. Carry on, everybody. We have our second page here. Marami po tayong gustong pasalamatan ngayong gabi. And of course, we have the following. These are our festival friends tonight. We have Boss Coffee, BDO Rizal, WCS Construction, Ruffian's Tavern, Minute Burger, our festival supporters, Greenery Corporation, Asa. We also have Nature Spring, Grace Home Builders, Andamar City Homes, Aeronautical Academy of the Philippines, Unitop Legazpi, Legazpi Ice Center, Embarcadero de Legazpi Land Ventures. We also have our other sponsors tonight, Alicia Hotel, Cagsawa Rural Bank, Handyman, Robinson Supermarket and Tronics. Let me also take this moment to thank all of the people who also added value, and these are specifically our Mutya ng Ibalong 2025 sponsors. Let's go into their list one by one. We have again Hotel St. Ellis, Bella Hotel, The Marison Hotel, Lucky Fortune, RYU or Ryu Construction, Welcome Depot, Rasi, Lotus Blue Hotel, Yashano Mall. Also have La Piazza Hotel Convention Center, Boysen, 𝐿𝐿𝐿 Good Cement, SIP Purified Water, Pacific Mall. We have LR Aggregates Trading, All Powers, Tres Rios Resort, SM City Legazpi, Talaquera Nails, Anaya Skin and Beauty Lounge, City's Kitchen, Bicol Isarog, Hotel Liatriz, Rapid Works Construction and Supply, McDonald's. Also have our Mutya ng Ibalong sponsors for our meals, Crisaldas, Cocina Zebra, 𝐿𝐿𝐿 Catering, Ruffian's Tavern, Family Kitchenette, Breakfast Republic, Paris King, Bulaklak Catering, Mitrix Catering, Chowking Ayala, Chef Connie's Resto and Cafe Catering Services, Shakey's Pizza Parlor, SM City Legazpi. Also have Ceylon Coffee Club, Hotel Areca, Arang by Bicol Food Delights, AVP Catering Services, Jasmine Cakes and Catering, Jollibee LCC, G&J Sweet Bite Found. We also have Alve Restaurant, LCC Malls, Aroy Mac Phil Asia Food Hub. Continuing with our list tonight, we also have a second page here. We have Superlicious Bake Shop, Cocina ni Jojo, Small Talk Cafe, Kim's Bowl, Smoke and Grill, Minute Burger, and Boss Coffee. Maraming salamat po. Again, those are our partners, our sponsors throughout the whole journey of our Mutyas for Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. Get ready, everybody, because for this evening, we will be having one exciting surprise tonight. Okay, this is gonna be something we need to see, all of us people of Legazpi and Bicolanos who are here tonight. This is an awesome dance show full of energy, moves, and excitement. This performance is definitely made just for tonight to make our celebration even more special. Come on, people of Legazpi City, let us clap our hands and cheer loudly for the amazing GRD dancers!
Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up. Let's do it. Come on, people. Let's get loud.
Yes, let's
get
get
loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Let's get loud.
Ain't nobody gotta tell ya.
What you gotta do if you wanna live your life? Live it all the way and don't you waste
Don't
it.
you waste it, no, no,
Every
no.
feeling, every beat can be so very sweet. You gotta taste it.
You gotta taste it.
You gotta do it.
Don't you let nobody lead you astray.
You gotta mean what you say. Like da 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 da. Life's a party, make it hot. Dance, don't ever stop, whatever rhythm. Every minute, every day, they ain't here to stay. You gotta live 'em, yeah.
Now switch. Charlie.
Bring the beat back. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud. Break it down.
That body for me, work. That body for me, work. That body for me, work.
Let's get loud.
Grabe. Kung may special award din kaya para sa pinakamaingay, malakas at energetic na cheering section, kaninong section kaya mapupunta yon? Baba, sige nga. Legazpi City, mag-ingay! Ayan naman, ang sarap. Mas kailangan ng mga candidates natin ngayon ang mga sigaw ninyo at palakpak because this is the moment of elegance and sophistication. Wearing the creation of our local Bicol designers, here are our candidates in their evening gown competition.
If I flex my arms, then I could hold you like a man. But do you think a man could ever hold you like a mother can? Call me mom, I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. Hey, I can't get enough. I'll call you dad, you call me mom, we'll call it love. If I look the way that I feel,
Mutya 1, Nicole Cordial. Gown designer, Jerome Villanueva.
if I clicked my heels and begged, would you take me home? I'll ask politely. You can take the lead, I'll give you anything.
Mutya 2, Camille Briones. Gown designer, Kelvin Fiel Sumalabe. Mutya 3, Eunice Blessy Beatless. Gown designer, Shan Amelia.
They say Tina Turner, but their maps is Janet Jackson. Get high, Mariah, sing on Tony Braxton. Saying, give me body, Whitney, dance with somebody, Britney. I want my own J-Lo. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way
Mutya 4, Rika Jane Peñalba. Gown designer, Kelvin Fiel Sumalabe. Mutya 5, Linel Nambidad. Gown designer, Caramba Cueneo.
I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. Hey, I can't get enough. I'll call you dad, you call me mom, we'll call it love. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. I'm with you, baby. Lifted higher. Got me feeling lifted higher.
Mutya 6, Ricky Analdo Dionila. Gown designer, Ish Lopez.
Would you take me home? I'll ask politely. You can take the lead, I'll give you anything you want. And I'll do it nightly. Yeah, obviously. I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. And I can't get enough. I'll call you dad.
Mutya 7, Rochelle Monique Obispo. Gown designer, April Sapaula. Mutya 7, Rochelle Manico Bispo. Gown designer, April Sabaula.
The maps is Janet Jackson, get high. Sing Tony Brax, y'all saying, give me body. Whitney, dance with somebody. Britney, I want my own J-Lo.
Mutya 8, Micaela Ashley Monasterial Brutas. Gown designer, Oscar Kalimlim Prenya Jr. Mutya 9, Rima Adecoden. Gown designer, Justin Navato, Joe Rubio.
Call me mom, I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. Hey, I can't get enough. I'll call you dad, you call me mom, we'll call it love. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel,
Mutya 10, Marae Elaine Custodio. Gown designer, 𝐌𝐿𝐿𝐿.
if I close my heels and begged, would you take me home? I'll ask politely. You can take the lead, I'll give you anything you want. And I'll do it nightly. Yeah, obviously, I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue.
Mutya 11, Angela Shariza Omnestino. Gown designer, John Francis Hermojeno. Mutya 12, Algie Encinares. Gown designer, Sean Abelia.
Turn up the maps is Janet Jackson, get high. Sing Tony Brax, y'all saying, give me body. Whitney, dance with somebody. Britney, I want my own J-Lo. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady.
Mutya 13, Iris Oresca. Gown designer, Harold Borlado.
Call me mom, I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in
Mutya
my
14,
lungs.
Ori Balonzo.
Can't get enough. I'll call you
Gown
dad, you call
designer,
me mom, we'll call it
Michelle
love.
Morano
If I
Lai.
look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. I'm with you, baby. Lifted higher. Got me feeling lifted higher.
Mutya 15, Rica Stephanie Ubaldo. Gown designers, Mark James Portugal and Julix Temperante. Mutya 16, 𝐂𝐤𝐯𝐿. Gown designer, John Paul Ragaspi.
They say Tina Turner, but their names is Janet Jackson. Get high, Mariah, sing along, Tony Braxton, Beyonce, and give me body. Whitney, dance with somebody. Britney, I want my whole J-Lo. Get if I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. If I look the way
Mutya 17, Angelica May Omali Palero. Gown designer, Kelvin Fiel Sumalabe. Mutya 18, Alexandra Krishna Orino. Gown designer, Kelvin Fiel Sumalabe.
Call me mom, I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. Hey, I can't get enough. I'll call you dad, you call me mom, we'll call it love. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. I'm with you, baby. Lifted higher. Got me feeling lifted higher. Lifted higher. Got me feeling.
Mutya 19, Arvia May Sate. Gown designer, Aurel Inares.
You can take the lead, I'll give you anything you want. And I'll do it nightly. Yeah, obviously, I'll take the love. I'll take it on my lips, my tongue, I'll breathe it, keep it in my lungs. And I can't get enough. I'll call you dad, you call me mom, we'll call it love. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing
Mutya 20, Yvonne Norila Danao Rosas. Gown designer, Paul Garcia and Del Lumampao.
They say Tina Turner, but their names is Janet Jackson. Get high, Mariah, sing along, Tony Braxton, Beyonce, and give me body. Whitney, dance with somebody. Britney, I want my whole J-Lo. Get if I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling elevated. If I look the way that I feel, I'll be wearing high heels. 'Cause you got me feeling like a lady.
To make this evening even more enchanting, to serenade our candidates with his heartfelt performance, Kapuso artist, Mr. Derek Monasterio.
Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. Hello! Sabayan niyo ako. Come on. Let's go! You're a falling star. You're the getaway car. You're the light in the sand when it goes too far. You're the swimming pool on a number set. And you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend you don't know it's true. Cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. Let's go! Hello! You're a carousel, you're a wishing well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, we'll see through. And you know that's what a love can do. And in this crazy life, into these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything. Di ko na kayo makita dyan. Gusto nyo ba ako pumunta dyan para mas makita ko kayo? Let's go! So la 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 la. So la 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 la. And in this crazy life, into these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. Your every line, your every word, your everything, thing. Your every song, I sing along. You're my everything. Let's go! So la 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 la. So la 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 la. All right. My God. This is my 5th time in Bicol, and nabalitaan ko na I have relatives here. The Monasterio clan is actually from Legazpi, dito. So, ang galing. Pero hindi ko pa sila nami-meet. Tsaka hindi ko rin kilala yung iba. Pero yun, I'm also a proud Bicolano. And gusto ko lang sabihin, ang gaganda naman ng mga tao dito. Sarap din ng food. Grabe. As promised, gusto ko kayong puntahan. Okay lang ba pumunta dyan mamaya? Para makamayan ko kayo personally. Hi. All right. This song is for you guys. Music. Okay, bago ang lahat, cut music. Okay, bago ang lahat, of course, gusto kong pasalamatan yung mga taong silang reason kung bakit ako andito ngayon, of course. Siyempre, papasalamatan ko unang-unang ating mahal na mayor, Mayor Hisham Ismael. Palakpakan po natin si Mayor. Yan. And of course, ating Executive Committee of Mutya ng Ibalong, ang ating Chairperson, Councilor Sunshine Imperial. Palakpakan natin sa Councilor. Yan, very beautiful, ma'am. And of course, syempre kay Councilor Alan Ranyola. Palakpakan natin sa Councilor Alan. Yes. And sa lahat ng Legazpi City Councilors, thank you for having me here. And tuloy-tuloy lang natin to. Pasayin natin ang gabi. Come on, music! All right. Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. Thank you so much. Have a good night, guys. I'm Derek Manacero. See you all.
is Mr. Derek Monasterio. Thank you so much. What a voice. Once again, we honor the journey of our candidates through another round of special awards.
Hello mga mare. Yes. Etchusera. Okay, these recognitions highlight the unique qualities that make each of them shine. Let's give it up for all of them, the winners of our second set of special awards, starting with Darling of the Press.
Presenting the award, 𝐂𝐞𝐬𝐯 and Councilor Ismail Buban.
And our Darling of the Press is candidate number 18.
Congratulations! Our next special award is for Miss Friendship.
Presenting the award, Mr. Dom Corilla, Miss Delma Ismail.
Our Miss Friendship is candidate number 4.
Presenting the award, Mr. Brandon Espiritu.
And she is candidate number 9.
Again, these are in no particular order, but equally as important is the next award, Best in Production Number.
Presenting the award, Mr. International Philippines Legazpi City, J. Safra, and Councilor Sunshine Imperial.
Here's another win, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for candidate number 4.
Presenting the award, Councilor Jaja Lucilia, Councilor Charlon Lahora.
And she is candidate number... Sino? 5.
I know this next award is coveted by our contestants. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Best in Evening Gown.
Presenting the award, Butch Lucilia and Counselor Amorex Ranieses.
And our Best in Evening Gown is candidate number 18.
Presenting the award, Mr. Anthony Ramirez and Counselor Alan Ranyola.
And our Best in Evening Gown designer is candidate number 15. The designer is Mark James Portugal and Julix Temperante.
The next award is for Best in Ibalong Festival Costume.
Presenters are Counselor Sunshine Imperial, Counselor Alan Ranyola, and Mr. Derek Monasterio.
Your Best in Ibalong Festival Costume is candidate number 13.
Presenting the award, Anthony Ramirez, Nasreen Garbin, and Ismael Buban.
And our Best in Ibalong Festival designer is candidate number 13. The designer is Jeric Sino.
There we have it.
Ano
Go
na,
ahead,
partner? Kaya ba natin today? Grabe.
Kakabulong ko na eh. Sabi ko, partner, sorry, row 4 ako.
I got you. Okay, congratulations to the winners of our second set of special awards. And now, I'm sure they're very excited to hear this.
Because the moment of truth begins.
Okay. From all our candidates, only 10 will move forward, ladies and gentlemen. Here are your top 10 semi-finalists of Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. In no particular order, let's meet our top 10, starting with candidate number, isigaw nyo na yan. Number 5, Ginel Nalidad from Albay.
Our next candidate going into the top 10 is candidate number 18, Alexandra Krishna M. Orino from Pulangi, Albay.
Yes, you're still running for the crown. Candidate number 9, Lima Aduken from Camarines Sur.
Welcome to the top 10. Coincidentally, candidate number 10, Marie Elaine B. Custodio from Bombon, Kamsur. Us.
And for our 5th spot, it's you, candidate number 1, Jimena Nicole B. Cordial from Camarines Sur.
Our next candidate moving up to our top 10 is candidate number 12, Algie F. Encinares from Masbate.
And it's you, candidate number... Woo! Sino? 15, Rica Stephanie Obaldo from Cabusao, Kamsur.
Next up, pasok ka sa top 10, candidate number 13, Iris I. Oresca of Naga City.
Two spots remaining. Sino kaya? Second to the last na. Okay, she is candidate number 7, Rochelle Monique Obispo from Legazpi City.
And wrapping up our top 10 in a very neat bow is candidate number 4, Rica Jane L. Peñalba from Sorsogon.
Congratulations, ladies. And of course, congratulations to the rest of the candidates who didn't make it.
Thank you so much as well to all of them.
Of course, all their efforts and sacrifices are appreciated.
You would know.
Yes.
Diba, grabe.
3 beses ako sumali ng Binibini, never say die.
You all make it look so easy kasi kaya para sa manonood, parang ang dali tingnan, but I know a lot of work goes into it.
Yes, of
Mental,
course.
physical.
Hindi madali, but all of the experiences, of course, you gain something, di ba? And you will take it home with you.
Matanong kita, partner.
Hoy, ano yan?
Out of, going back to your pageant days,
Oh.
what is your parang favorite or scariest part of being in a pageant?
Favorite and the scariest?
And scariest. So favorite first.
My favorite would be the swimsuit round because
Really?
I've been a fan of really taking care of my health, my body, my physique. So I didn't really know that until the pageant journey, di ba? Talagang they really forced you to take care of yourself. So that's one of my
favorite part of it because it's like showing all the hard work.
Para
Finally,
kita mo
right?
agad eh. It's
Oo.
an immediate representation of how well you value your physical
Yes.
health.
And one would be the scariest is what is going to happen right now, the question and answer
Yun yung
portion.
dreaded mo.
Hay nako, kasi naman of all the questions in the world, di ba? Biglang tatanungin ka, what make you smile?
Tapos 30 seconds lang para sumagot.
Oo naman. So good luck to our ladies. And here is the first set of question and answer round. First up, we will call candidate number 5, Lionel Navidad from Albay. Hello. Congratulations. How are you feeling tonight?
Actually, Miss MJ, all throughout my pageant experience, I've always been called last, and it was very nerve-wracking. And now that being called first, it's actually as nerve-wracking as the same feeling with being called last, but I am ready.
Okay, always ready. You may pick the name of your judge. And your judge is Miss 𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵𝐻𝐿𝐵
Hello?
Hello, good evening.
Question is, are remembered, queens are remembered not only for their reign, but for their legacy. What legacy would you like to leave as Mutya ng Ibalo?
Having a legacy is living an impact. I am not just a pageant enthusiast, I am also an advocate for children with disabilities. And if ever I win the crown, I want to use my platform, I want to use this influence to raise awareness about children with disabilities. Having a brother with Down syndrome, it has shown me how the world has been cruel and unfair to these children. And I want to use this as an opportunity to raise awareness that these children, regardless of their disabilities, they deserve fairness, they deserve the opportunities, and they deserve to shine. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 5.
What a powerful advocacy.
Yes.
Grabe.
Next up, we have candidate number 18, Alexandra Krishna Orino from Pulangi, Albay. Hi.
Hi,
May gusto ka
Mare.
bang batiin sa ating audience?
Oh, I would like to bate my family and my friends and of course my supporters who came all the way from Iriga City and my beloved Pulangi Albay. Thank you so much. Your support means the world and you are the backbone of my journey.
All right, now you may pick your judge. And it is Miss Joy Barcoma.
Hello, good evening to you.
Good evening, Miss Joy.
Good evening, Legazpi. Good luck to you and congratulations to all the awards that you've gotten for this evening.
Thank you, Miss Joy to the earth.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 18. At what moment does a girl truly become a woman?
A girl becomes a woman when she first encounters the hardship that she encounters in life. She becomes a woman when she overcomes the obstacles that life has thrown to us. Because to be a woman, it is to be a resilient, brave, courageous, and a woman full of wisdom. You become a woman when you overcome the hurdles, when you overcome the obstacles, and when you become more strong. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you. Candidate number 18.
Thank you so much. I'm sure all the ladies and women in our audience felt that to their core.
Oh. And next candidate is candidate number 9, Rima Adacodan from Camarines Sur. Oh my God, you must be feeling so pressured right now. Napakarami mong fans.
Thank you
dito.
so much.
O, kamustahin mo naman sila.
Thank you guys so much for coming all the way here. Your presence means so much to me.
All right, are you ready for a question? Your judge is Miss Marilia Guno Kisumbing.
Question is, if beauty fades, what do you believe will always make a woman truly shine?
Can you repeat, please, the question?
Fades, what do you believe will always make a woman truly shines?
What truly makes a woman shine is her character. It is her ability to see and relate to the stories of people by immersing herself in the different realities of others. It is in a way that we understand the stories of people that we broaden our own. When we gather the wisdom that would allow us to transform to ourselves, we truly shine, not just for us, but for others as well. Thank you.
And the crowd goes wild. Thank you so much.
Well said.
Are you enjoying?
Ramdam ko lahat ng mga sagot nila
Kinakabahan ka for them.
Tagos.
Tagos sa puso. Okay. May we call our candidate number 10, Marie-Elaine Castillo from Kamsur. Hi.
Hi, Kumara.
How are you feeling right now, Mariko?
I feel so delighted to be part of the top 10 and of course to see everyone from the Bicol region supporting Mutya ng Ibalong 2025.
Yes, happy Ibalong Festival to everyone, of course. You may choose your judge. And you chose Judge... Uy, favorite ko to. Mr. Jojo Bragaiz.
Okay. Marina Bangi, candidate number 10.
Marhaina Bangi, sir.
Okay, so this is your question. What do you believe is harder to achieve? Outer beauty or inner beauty, and why?
I believe the hardest beauty to achieve is inner beauty. We may say that physicalities of beauty can be achievable through many things, but the moment we realize that our core shines the brightest, when we invest in our true selves, when we realize that adapting to society's stereotypes cannot condone our true identity, but rather depict who we are and how we perceive ourselves in the society. So together, let us raise our hearts to be more authentic and much more lovable so that we can create an individual that shines brightly. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Authenticity is key.
Partner, bakit ganun? 30 seconds lang eh. 30 seconds lang, pero lahat ng mga sagot nila ang bibigat.
Diba? Praktisado yan. Oo. Kaya dyan mo makikita na talagang they really put in the effort, right?
Sa akin, 30 minutes kulang pa.
Ang dami mo gustong sabihin. Okay. Now, let's call on candidate number 1, Jimena Nicole Cordial from Camarines Sur. Hi.
Hello.
How far is Camarines Sur from Legazpi?
I think 2 hours or more.
2 hours by land. So you're often here in Legazpi?
No, I stay at Camarines Sur. I just go here for pageants.
For pageants? Ang dami talagang pageants dito sa Albay, no? At lahat ng mga pinakamagaganda dito nang gagaling. Tinik sa amin yung taga Mindanao. Okay, are you ready for a question?
Yes.
You may pick your judge. And you chose... Judge. Uy, susuportahan natin to sa November, ha? Miss Atisa Manalo.
Good evening, candidate number 1.
Good evening.
Aside from winning the crown tonight, what was your prayer when you woke up this morning?
Aside from winning the crown tonight, my prayer was that God will give me peace of mind, that I will still feel overflowing gratitude whatever the outcome is. It is acknowledging that God answers prayer in different ways. Yes, no, or wait, because I have something better for you. Thank you.
I think the audience
Grabe.
loved it.
Said with such confidence. Wow,
Yes.
grabe.
All right.
Up next, we'd like to call up on stage candidate number 12. Algie, maybe you'd like to ask our seasoned queen here some tips.
How to become beautiful like you.
Wapasad ka din.
Thank you.
And if you're ready, You may now pick your judge for your question. Once again, Miss Atisha Manalo.
Good evening. Every queen carries a light. What is the light within you that you wish to share to the world?
I believe that would be the light that become an inspiration to others. You know what? I was once a very shy girl who faced bullying, who once saw goods in the park just to learn and survive. But you know what? Instead of letting it break me, I use it to become a woman who make a lasting impact. I become a teacher to empower the youth, a model to embrace uniqueness, and now a beauty queen to inspire. My journey proves that pain can transform into purpose, and I will always use my voice, my story, the way I always have to, and that is to make a difference in the world. Thank you.
Grabe. Thank you so much, Algie. Grabe no how she was able to put in such succinct words how she was molded by her experience. Grabe.
Be a teacher, okay?
Next up, we'd like to call on candidate number 15, Rika Stephanie Ubaldo. Hi, Rika. How are you feeling tonight?
I am thrilled to be part of the top 10. I am very grateful to God for putting me here on this stage and for celebrating the 𝐈𝐴LONG Festival with everybody.
Having heard your co-candidates answer their questions, how are you faring? How do you feel? You feel still confident?
Of course, I'm very proud of them because this is more than just a competition. There is a sisterhood that's going on behind the stages, and whatever the outcome is, we will always be friends, sisters, a family.
Grabe. Already showing the merits of a seasoned pro. Now, if you're ready, you may pick your judge for your question. And your judge, Rika, is Mr. Brandon Espiritu.
Hi, kumusta po?
I'm good. How about you, sir?
I'm doing amazing. Thank you for asking. Are you ready for your question?
I am born ready.
All right, cool. Let's get it. If you could change one thing in the world to make it a better place, what would it be and why?
If I could change one thing about the world is I would change the hate, the widespread of misinformation and the wars. I believe even though there are different sectors of these things, they are all interconnected in one way or another. We should be self-aware. We should know our strengths and weaknesses. And just like my mother always told me, a person who knows oneself is a person that can conquer the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Rika.
so much, candidate number 15.
Grabe yung mga insights nila, no?
Yes, let's conquer the world. Okay.
Up next, we have candidate number 13. Hi, Iris. Iris, sorry, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. I know you're excited and ready to answer the question from your judge, so I'm going to have you pick your judge from the poll. Kita ko na eh, not even a trace of like fear or nervousness within her. And your judge is Mr. Dom Corilla.
Good evening, candidate 13.
Good evening, Sir Dom.
I will repeat your question twice. In one graceful sentence, how would you define the essence of being a mutya? Once again. In one graceful sentence, how would you define the essence of being a mutya?
The essence of being a mutya is being an intentional, purposeful, and empowered woman. To be a mutya is to leave a legacy and be an icon in Legazpi City, Albay, and the whole Bicol. For me, to become the mutya ng 𝐈𝐴LONG is to plant seeds in conversations and in communities, living your purpose, living your legacy, and making the people around you be inspired of what you do, and continuing that until the last day of your reign. And I think that is the greatest essence of being a mutya. Thank you.
Grabe. That was graceful indeed, Iris. And may the seeds that you sow bear the brightest and tasteful fruit.
Intentional, purposeful, and empowered. I love it. Okay.
Up next, we have candidate number 7. Hi, Rochelle.
Hello. I actually feel very nervous right now because this is my very first pageant.
Wow.
But at the same time, I feel very grateful and happy to be on this prestigious stage of Mutya ng Ibalong 2025.
Well, somehow I have no doubts. All of your co-candidates have spoken not only from the heart, but from their experiences, and I know you will be no different. So if you're ready, you may pick your judge from the bowl for your question. Rochelle, your question will be coming from Miss Joy Barcoma.
Hello, candidate number 7.
Hello, Miss Joy.
Congratulations in advance. You're doing good for a first-timer.
Thank you.
Your question is, if you could be any fictional or literary character, who would you be and why?
If I would be a fictional character, I would be the 3 heroes of Ibalong who fought the monstrous creatures, who fought for their land. As a modern-day hero, I want to fight for the creatures that we are facing, which is environmental degradation, corruption, and corrupt politicians. I want to bring awareness and leave a legacy as a modern-day hero and fight for our rights and our land and fight for the nation. Thank you.
Grabe. Rochelle, the way you answered that without skipping a beat, I think we need to check her background kasi feeling ko hindi niya to first time eh.
Yes. Thank you so much, candidate number
Thank you.
7. Naku, kabahan na ang mga corrupt politician yan. Okay.
Imposibleng rehearse yung mga sagot nila eh because it all comes from the heart and it answers the question perfectly. How to be you all po. Wow, okay. Last but definitely not least, we have candidate number 4, Rika Jane. Hi. Rika Jane, I know your co-candidates have answered their questions beautifully and I know you won't be an exception. How do you feel right now? Ako yung kinakabahan para sa inyo.
Well, to be honest, I'm a little bit nervous knowing the fact that I am the last to be called at the top 10 and listening to that answer makes me shiver, but I know that I can do it.
But I'm gonna have to call on my partner again kasi last siya, I know that that comes with a tremendous amount of pressure. So maybe you have some tips that you could give to Rika Jane.
Of course, always enjoy the moment because for some girls, it happens once, diba? Maybe they just wanted to experience it. Or for some girls, this will be a stepping stone. So enjoy the moment and learn from it. Good luck to you, candidate number 4. And you may choose your judge.
That's why you're the queen.
Thank you.
And your judge, Rika Jane, is Mr. Kirk Bondad.
Test. Hi. Pressure is privilege, so you're doing a great job. Your question is long, so please pay attention. If the crown tonight could give you one last gift, not beauty or fame, but a value to treasure forever, what would you choose and why? Once again, if the crown tonight could give you one lasting gift, not beauty or fame, but a value that treasure forever, what would you choose and why?
I would choose to have the value of respect. Because in today's society, respect is being neglected. And if I ever win tonight, I want to be remembered as a queen who respects not just the elders, but the culture, the environment, and each and every one of us. Because I believe that if we have respect within ourselves, we will have peace and order. And at the same time, just like the 3 heroes, if we have respect to each and every one, we can have an amazing world, an amazing land. Thank you.
Grabe, Rika Jane. Thank you.
And that wraps our top 10 semifinalist question and round portion. Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Grabe,
Yes.
partner. Be honest. How do you think they did?
They all did so great. I don't want to be a judge right now. I felt like they're going to have a hard time choosing our top 5.
Kaya gusto kong tanungin din eh. Makikumusta ako. Gus, how are you doing after that amazing question and answer portion.
Alam mo, good question, Tom, right now. No? Kanina I was watching you guys. So, feel ko yung excitement and also the thrill. Kasi it's really impossible. I would say it's physically impossible to answer great answers in just 20 seconds. Di ba kumarang MJ? Right, Tom? Agree?
Is that true?
Don't ask me.
Kaya minsan maganda na lang that you are just listening, right?
True yan. Okay,
Okay.
you got it, Mare.
And of course, everybody, we are just finished with one of the most nerve-wracking part of our competition tonight. Maraming salamat again, Tom and MJ, for checking on me. And hello, everybody. I am back here on the side of our stage tonight. And I am so happy that together with me, may kasama ako dito ngayong gabi. Alright, everybody, I hope you can join me in welcoming 3 of the most highly requested members of our judges here. And they will all be representing our very country, the Philippines, in their respective international stages. Come on, everybody, palakpakan naman po natin. Simulan natin with our pambansang manika, Miss Universe Philippines 2025, Miss Maria Atisa Manalo!
Good evening!
Oh, wow! Can I just say, sobrang starstruck ako ngayong gabi. Alright, so, Atisa, I have a question for you tonight. Okay, are you ready for this?
Hindi ko alam, kasali pala ako sa Q&A.
Diba? Parang refresher for your competition, upcoming competition tonight. Okay, this is just a very simple question tonight, okay? We just want to hear your thoughts for all the people who are here watching Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. And this is your question. Miss Atisa, since you have been in the same situation before, what advice would you give to our candidates of Mutya ng Ibalong 2025?
Alam mo, the thing that I was gonna advise them, MJ mentioned it. You have to enjoy the moment. You gotta be in it. Kasi you prepared for it for so long. I know this girl's prepared for it for weeks. You've been training everything. Q&A, passerella, all of these things. But when you're there, you just have to feel the moment because it's never gonna come back again. And that's what I did in Miss Universe Philippines this year compared to last year. I just enjoyed and I trusted myself because I practiced so much.
There you have it, everybody. Our Miss Universe 2025! Na-excite ako din, ha? Okay. So you've heard it, everybody, coming from the one and only Miss Atisa Manalo. Just have to let go and enjoy the moment, right? Napakaganda. Thank you, Miss Atisa, for that beautiful message tonight. Coming up, everybody, we have another member of our judges here. Equally beautiful as well, all right? Eto, abangan natin to, guys. She is really good as well. We have our newly crowned Miss Philippines Earth 2025, Miss Joy Barcoma! Hi, Miss Joy.
Hello, good evening to you guys. I hope you're having a great time hosting this very prestigious competition.
Definitely, Miss Joy. At kanina meron tayong chit-chat moment, di ba? Pero
Yes.
ngayon, finally, on stage na tayo. And here comes your formal question tonight.
Well, it's an honor to be sharing the stage with you.
Here we go. Okay, Miss Joy, this is for you. Kanina no, narinig natin from Miss Atisa that we have the question. Ano yung pwede niya maibigay sa ating mga kandidata? Ngayon naman po, Miss Joy, this is your question tonight. For someone like you, okay, what will be your advice for our girls who aspire to become national or even international beauty queens like you?
If there's one thing that you have to put in your mind, you always have to begin with an end in mind. If you aspire to be a beauty queen, you should channel the energy of being a beauty queen. If you aspire to be someone great someday, you should be someone great today. It's a matter of the energy. It's actually a matter of exuding your energy to the universe so that the universe will also give it back to you.
Thank you so much, Miss Joy. Alam niyo guys, parang feeling ko final Q&A nyo na. And we already have winners here representing the Philippines. At tama po yun, Miss Joy. No? You've mentioned about channeling your energy. You really have to manifest and start with your journey right this very
Yes,
moment.
manifestation actually works, and you always have to remember that words have power, words have weight. Whatever you manifest, it will always come back to you. So be careful, be always mindful, and be always insightful. And of course, you always have a purpose. Yes.
Thank you so much, Miss Joy. Alright guys, napakinggan natin. Please take note of all the great words. Coming from the one and only, we have Miss Philippines Earth 2025, Miss Joy Barcoma.
Thank you very much, Gus. Have a great evening, everybody.
Maraming salamat po. joining us on stage. Okay, after having two of our beautiful members of the judges, ngayon naman po, ito, the very handsome Mr. International Philippines 2025, Mr. Kirk Bondad! Wow! All right, hello Kirk, good evening to you. You're so tall. Let me just start with that. Okay. So for tonight, Kirk, okay, I can share you my microphone tonight. This is your question. This is just a simple question that we also want to know. Okay, gusto namin mas makilala si Mr. Kirk. This is your question tonight. Okay, here we go. This is very specific. What can you say about the beauty of Bicolanas? All right, what can you say about the beauty of Bicolanas?
I've been to many, many places here in the Philippines, judged many pageants. But one thing that I definitely take away from this place is the electrifying energy that everybody here has put out so far. And I'm not saying it from a pageant perspective, but from a sheer human perspective, that you guys really make this show worthwhile watching. And of course, me as a judge, I really try to block off all the noise. And it's such a wonderful thing to always see everybody here cheering. You know, everybody has their favorites, and I think that is such a loving thing, because without you guys, this wouldn't be even possible. So thank you everybody who is here, giving the energy. This is such a grateful experience. More love to you.
There you have it, everybody. And I think, you know what, Kirk, that excites the whole members of our audience here. And you know what, Kirk, before you leave this mini stage here tonight, I will be teaching you one specific word, all right? This is in relevance to beauty. Diba? Okay, this is the Bicolano term for beautiful. We have magayon. Okay.
Magayon?
Magayon, yes. So can you see many magayon here tonight?
Many magayon here tonight! Everybody!
Asa na mga magayon dyan?
Maraming salamat. Please enjoy the night. We are almost over. This is a very, very competitive top 10. I saw the scorecards. It's a nail biter. So please be seated.
Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. We have Mr. Kirk Bondad. Thank you for giving us your time here on this mini stage tonight. We will be seeing more of you later on this evening. And of course, everybody, in behalf of the whole organization of Mutya ng Ibalang 2025 Legazpi City, this very city, we would like to extend to our judges our support, and we will definitely be rooting for your international competitions. Simula sa day number 1 until the very end. We got your back. Okay. Now, everybody, before we continue with the next part of our celebration tonight, let me just quickly acknowledge this special person who is joining us this evening. He represented Legazpi City for his specific national competition. We have here my friend, Mr. Jay Safra, our Mr. International 2025 Legazpi City. Hi, Jay! Ayan, palapakan naman po natin. And of course, everybody, I hope you're ready for the next part. Right now, let us take a look back at the journey, the challenges, and the unforgettable memories of this year's Mutya ng Ibalang Diary. Everybody, let's watch this.
Today, we unveil not just the 20 candidates, but the 20 remarkable young women who embody strength, elegance, the rich in culture, soul of our beloved Ibalong. This year, we raised the bar. Ramnash Green said, we seek not just a queen, but a Mutya who is iconic, regal, grounded in purpose, and capable of becoming a voice for heritage, empowerment, and progress. To the finalists, congratulations! You are already a source of pride for your family and your communities and for all of us. Again, welcome to the Mutya ng Ibalang 2025. May today mark the beginning of a journey as meaningful and as magnificent as our Mayon volcano. Just marvelous po and enjoy the rest of the evening. Salamat po! When we showcase Ibalong, it showcases the culture of Legazpi. And when we know our culture, it knows that we have our own identity. And to have our own identity, we have to celebrate our culture through festival. May I invite everyone to participate, to watch, and be part of this festival. Sino the most marahil bang dia sa Joshua Balos po?
Manila Bangi po sa ito boss. Siyempre, nagkaingaw gusto ko congratulates to yung 20 finalists. Ano daw ang difference ng Ibalong Ngunyan? Sabi ko, the difference of Ibalong Ngunyan, kapos na counselors kay iba natin, executive siya na nag-iok. Pero dahil sa muyat pagkasarong, kasi sa muyat pagkabulod yung papusok, at sa muyat pag-inimanan, kasi ito naman naging to be successful, kasi ano po sa maging successful. Thank you everyone, and see you all soon. Kasi naman po ito ang tanapul pang naka-linyada ang events this coming Ibalong Festival. Salamat po si Donator. Care, Isham, Israel. Salamat po, GD.
This is not just a pageant. What we wish to give you is a platform, a stage, and where the heart of a true Bicolana will be put on proudly. Hindi po bako lang tradisyon. This is Ibalong. This is Legazpi. This is home. In Legazpi, we all want you to smile always. Salamat po, and just na rin naman ito. Thank you, family kitchen man! Thank you, Smoke and Grill! Bicol is a road!
And now, we are going to narrow down the field even further. From 10 aspiring women, we now present the top 5 finalists of Mutya ng Ibalong. Ready na ba kayo? Gusto kong maramdaman ang energy nyo. Isa namang hiyawan! Woo! Sino sa tingin nyo ang makakapasok sa top 5? Ingay! Sino? 9? 7 kaya? Ano yung nasa taas? 15? Number 1? Number 5? Okay. We will find out right now. Woo! First spot is for you, candidate. Candidate number? Ba't nyo alam? 5! Linel Navidad from Albay. Second on the list is candidate number... Sino ulit? 9! Rima Adacoden from Camarines Sur. Okay, 3 more to go. You are also in. Candidate number... I am looking for your fans. Candidate number 1! Jimena Nicole Cordial from Camarines Sur. Legazpi, dalawa na lang. 2 spots left and 1 belongs to you. Candidate number... Mahina pa. Isa pang sigaw. Sino? 10! Marie Alain Castudio from Bombon, Camsur. Woo! And to complete our list, good luck to our remaining ladies and congratulations for making it this far. But the last spot is for you. Candidate number 13!
City. And that wraps it up. Please welcome our top 5 Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. Congratulations, ladies. And partner Tom, you got it?
Thank you, MJ. Kamusta, Legazpi? Do you feel it? Yeah? Because this is the ultimate test of grace under pressure. The final question and answer portion. Now tonight, our top 5 finalists will prove that true beauty with a purpose shines brightest when guided by wisdom. And one question stands between them and the crown. Now each finalist will be asked the same question, prepared of course by our executive committee. And to ensure fairness, they will be wearing headphones so the others will not hear their answer to the question. They will be given 30 seconds to deliver their answer, after which they will hear this sound. Now, I'm not quite sure. Maybe this is because all of our candidates answered so brilliantly in the previous question and answer portion. But to make it more challenging, I urge all of you to please pay attention because I will only read the question once. And for my part, I will do my best to read it as clearly and as slowly as I possibly can. So we'll wait for the other candidates to don their headphones before I ask you your question. Lionel. Candidate number 10, how are you doing? Candidate number 1? Number 9? Parang wala, okay na ata sila natin. All right. Candidate number 13. Just testing her. All right, Linnell, here's your question. If you could write one meaningful message on the sky for the whole world to see tomorrow morning, what would it be and why?
If I could write one meaningful message that the whole world can see tomorrow, it will always be, it doesn't cost any penny to be kind. We are suffering each and every day of our lives. Some of us doesn't even know where to get strength from. Being kind is a constant reminder of the reason why we are created in this world. We will be able to enjoy our journey individually and as a community if we remain kind, if we have this kindness in our heart. And I believe that we can be united when everything started from kindness. That would be all. Thank you.
Grabe, Lionel. What a wonderful answer. It doesn't cost a penny and yet it's so priceless. Thank you. Hindi ko na sila kailangan sabihan magpalakpakan. They're doing it on their own vocation. Thank you, Lionel. Next up, we'd like to call up to the center of the stage, candidate number 9, Rima Adacoden. Hi, Rima. Remember, I can only read the question once. But don't worry, I'm gonna show it to you, out of fairness. Are you ready? Wala kang narinig kanina, di ba? If you could write one meaningful message on the sky for the whole world to see tomorrow morning, what would it be and why?
If I could write one meaningful message to the sky for everyone to see, I would write, I hope you would live your life. In our lives, we are often encountered with challenges. Sometimes it makes us harder to rise above those, and it doesn't mean that we are weak to do so, but sometimes our circumstances are preventing us from doing so. But in life, you need to live, you need to breathe, you need to be able to maximize the potential that you have in order for you to become the person that you are meant to become. And that takes bravery to do that. Thank you.
Grabe, Rima, thank you. In other words, you persevere. Grabe, thank you for that. Beautifully said. Our next candidate being called to the center of the stage is candidate number 1, Jimena Nicole Cordial. Hi, Jimena. Are you ready for your question? Hindi ko na patatagalin pa, okay? If you could write one meaningful message on the sky for the whole world to see tomorrow morning, what would it be and why?
It would be to be kind. Sometimes the most beautiful thing that we can do is in the kindness, in random acts of kindness, like being present in conversations, complimenting a stranger, checking on a friend we haven't talked to for a long time. These seemingly small yet deeply meaningful habits ripple out far more than we often realize. They can change someone's day. In a world full of distractions, presence is a rare and beautiful gift. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jimena. Kung magkakahawaan na lang tayong lahat, let it be kindness. Thank you so much. Next up, candidate number 10. May we call you up to the center of the stage, please? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Marie Elaine Custodio. Marie, your question is, if you could write one meaningful message on the sky for the whole world to see tomorrow morning, what would it be and why?
It would be Ibalong Naman. With this message written on the sky, it shows the trajectory of the story of Ibalong. Our story, the Legazpi story, remains transcendental for everyone to know, for everyone to embody. Just like the 3 heroes, how creative, how wonderful, and how wisdomful we are as individuals. Together, let's write the stories of our tomorrow, embodying Ibalong, our future, our Legazpi. Thank you very much.
Grabe, so beautifully said. Weaving the tapestry of your past and your future together. Ladies and gentlemen, please give her a round of applause. And of course, last but not least, may we call up candidate number 13, Iris Oresca. Hi, Iris. Wow. Before anything else, would you like to say anything to your supporters?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank everyone for walking with me in this journey. I really appreciate each one of you. Thank you.
Now, Iris, if you're ready, I'm going to read you your question. If you could write one meaningful message on the sky for the whole world to see tomorrow morning, what would it be and why?
If I could write one meaningful message into the sky, I would write, you are not defined by your circumstances. I came from a broken home. I worked through college, balancing school and academics. And one thing that I would like to impart to everybody is that your story matters no matter where it begins, and that you could live a life of impact even if you started with less. And that is something I would like to impart to everyone and to every people. That you could live a life full of impact and you could always be inspirational no matter who you are and no matter where you begin. Thank you.
Thank you, Iris. Grabe, so powerful. Many have done it, so why can't we? Grabe, thank you so much. I'd like to thank all of our top 5 candidates. Thank you so much. You all did so wonderful. Let's give a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our top 5 finalists. And now, I turn it back to you, Brother Gus.
Thank you so much, Tom. And of course, that was a crazy part of our competition tonight. Grabe, maraming salamat. And earlier, we had one of the most nerve-wracking, which is from the top 10. And we are down to our last Q&A for our top 5. That was a really beautiful question tonight, everybody. Alam niyo kung ako mabibigyan ng pagkakataon. So actually say and write something on the sky. Eto ha, that would be, walang halong kaplastikan. I love Legazpi City. Diba? Mahal po ba natin ang Legazpi City? Yes, definitely. All right. So for tonight, everybody, right before we proceed with the get-go of our competition tonight, let me also acknowledge the hard-working production team of all the professionals who, in their field of pageantry and events organizing, imparted something really big in the success of Mutya ng Ibalong 2025. Palakpakan naman po natin sila, beginning of course with our overall production manager of S Events and Styles, Mr. Russell Simfuego. Clap your hands, everybody. Maraming salamat po. We also have our stage continuity director, Mr. Jojo Mangalino. We also have our choreographer and technical director, Mr. Andrew Dumaop. Palakpakan naman po natin silang lahat. Come on, everybody. We also have our floor director, Hershey Shola Santiago. Maraming salamat din po to our light director, Mr. Ace Payawal. We also have our graphics and multimedia manager, Mr. John Larry Roda. Also part of our team, we have our stage managers, the following people: Marnie Andrade, Mark Miranda, and Alexis Duadico. We also have our continuity script writer, Mr. J. Salcedo. Maraming salamat po. And we also have Miss Anne-Marie Borjal. Thank you so much. Our production assistant, Teng Hoson. We also have our setup manager, Daxon Bitangkur. And of course, our voiceover tonight, the power voice behind our pageant, Mr. Ray Sancho. Maraming salamat din po to our photo and video team. We have Lightman Creatives by Mr. Gistani Hernandez. Our tabulator tonight, making things really easy and smooth, STI Legazpi City. And of course, right now, let me also take this moment to thank the whole organization of Mutya ng Ibalong 2025, of course, to Mayor Hisham and Councilor Sunshine and the rest of the 𝐋𝐤𝐈 and the team of Legazpi City. Maraming salamat po for trusting in me. Of course, everybody, I am your co-host and your correspondent tonight. I am Gus Borja of Legazpi City. Maraming salamat po. Right now, everybody, as we are in the current year of Mutya ng Ibalong, which is 2025, let us go back a trip down memory lane, which is a year ago. Okay, way back 2024, everybody, two young ladies captured the hearts of many with their beauty, poise, and intelligence. These amazing and empowered queens definitely embody what the spirit of Ibalong is all about. Everybody, let us give our warm support for the last time as Mutya ng Ibalong Turismo or Tourism. We have Miss Alicia Mildred Villarina, as well as our Mutya ng Ibalong 2024, Miss Mary Joy Darilay in their farewell walk.
When I began this journey, I never imagined the doors it would open and the incredible opportunities it would bring. From stepping on the Mutya ng Ibalong stage with purpose, to joining Binibining Pilipinas, and even bringing home the Miss Global Universe second runner-up title. Indeed, working with the organization has truly shaped the woman I am today. To my family, friends, mentors, and supporters, thank you for believing in me even when I doubted myself. You were my strength during challenging times and my biggest cheerleaders in moments of triumph. To my team, Kuya Harold, Ate Missy, Light, SCRD Street, thank you for being with me in this journey. To the Mutya ng Ibalong organization, thank you for entrusting me with this honor. Serving as your queen has been one of the greatest privileges of my life. And to the next Mutya ng Ibalong Tourism, know that you wear not just a crown, but the pride of every Bicolana. Use this year not just to shine, but to serve with humility and purpose. As I turn over this crown, I carry with me memories that I will treasure forever. Friendships and purpose that come with this journey. Sa muli, I am Alicia Mildred Villarina, forever your Mutya ng Ibalong Tourism 2024.
When I first dreamed of a crown, I never imagined how many times I would search in the dark. Yet every stumble shaped me for the moment the fiery crown of Mutya ng Ibalong 2024 was placed upon my heart. I realized then it was never just about winning, but about becoming. This crown became more than a symbol. It became a torch, showing me life beyond myself, to serve, to give, to uplift. Every outreach, every charity, and every handheld reminded me that a mutya ng Ibalong is shining with purpose. To Ate Belle, who first pushed me to believe I could, thank you for planting the seed of this dream. To the city government of Legazpi, the Luminous Studios, Team S Events and Style, my 18 Mutya ng Ibalong 2024 sisters, my core team, Andrew and Zeus Ariola, Apple Santillan, our team's angels, and to my friends, family, loved ones, and unwavering supporters, you were my anchor. For you, I am endlessly grateful. In the spirit of the Ibalong epic, where heroes rose, fell, and rose again, may we too rise with dreams that endure. We welcome another beauty to the sisterhood with a blazing hope that she too shall continue the spirit of charity and grace of an Ibalong queen. Just marvelous po. I am Mary Joy Akasha-Durilay, Mutya ng Ibalong 2024.
What makes our hearts soar? It's in knowing we have devoted ourselves to serving you with care. The kind of care that goes above and beyond, taking you through unforgettable journeys that last a lifetime. As Asia's first and longest-serving airline, we are made for the skies. Experience heartfelt service when you fly with Philippine Airlines.
We also would like to thank our Lights and Sounds partner, Pro Events.
This is it, the most awaited moment of the night. But before we announce our new queens, we would like to acknowledge and extend our heartfelt thanks to Miss Maria Magdamit, a talented sculpture artist from Bicol who adorned our crowns with specially crafted Diwata stone pieces.
The crowns are so pretty. Oh, nandito. Ayun na, hawak na nila. Handa na ba kayo, Legazpi? Grabe. I asked for the time. It's only 10:45, ha? Sanay akong mag-crown ng winners mga alas 12 na. Congratulations
Dapat
again
gising
to
na gising pa kayo.
Oo, diba? May energy pa ba tayo? Of course. You know what, guys? Days, weeks, and even months of preparation all boil down to this historic moment. The announcement of Mutya ng Ibalong 2025 and her court. We begin with our third runner-up. And she will receive 75,000 cash prize, sash, crown, and flowers.
Presenting the award for the third runner-up, Counselor Charlton Lahara, Counselor Ismael Buban, Miss Kay Ismael, and Mr. Ricky Luterte.
And our third runner-up is... Sino? Gusto kong marinig. Any guesses? Sino? Candidate number? Number 10. Marie Elaine Castillo from Bombon, Camsur.
Our Mutya ng Ibalong second runner-up, and she will receive 100,000 pesos in cash prize, a sash, a crown, and of course, her flowers.
Presenters are Counselor Butch Lucila, Miss Jaja Lucila, Mr. Kirk Bondad, and Miss Margaret Siat Briton.
And the second runner-up is candidate number 1, Jimena Nicole B. Cordial from Camarines Sur.
Okay. Our Mutya ng Ibalong first runner-up will receive 150,000 cash prize, sash, crowns, and the flowers.
Presenters are Mutya ng Ibalong 2024 first runner-up, Miss Rani Lakmi, Counselor J.B. Lee, Miss Gina Ritter Lee, Mr. Jojo Bragais, Miss J. Barcoma.
And our first runner-up is none other than... Candidate number... Sino? Ay, number 9! Rima Adacoden from Camarines Sur.
And then there were two. Legazpi City, there are only two women left. The Mutyanang Legazpi Tourism will receive 300,000 in cash prize, a sash, a crown, and flowers.
Our presenters for Mutyanang Legazpi Tourism 2025, Miss Nasreen Garbin, Miss Marie Liaguno Kasumbing, Miss Atisa Manalo, Miss Mildred Villarin, and Mr. Brandon Espiritu.
While our Mutyanang Ibalong 2025 will receive a $500,000 cash prize, a sash, and a customized crown along with her flowers.
Our presenters for Mutyanang Ibalong 2025, Mayor Hisham, Mayora Miss Kiko Ismail, Councilor Sunshine Imperial, Alan Ranyola, Miss Marie Liaguno Kesumbing, and Mutyanang Ibalong 2024, Mary Joy Darilay.
Whew! Okay, listen guys. I will announce first the winner, the Mutya ng Ibalong 2025, okay? Which means the other lady is the Mutyanang Legazpi Tourism 2025. Handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayong makilala ang inyong bagong reyna? At eto na nga siya, kilalanin na natin ang ating mutya ng Ibalong 2025! She is candidate number... Sino? Candidate number 5! Linel Navidad from Albay. Which means candidate number 13, 𝐈𝐻𝐶𝐷 Oresca from Naga City, is our Mutyanang Legazpi Tourism 2025. Mutyanang Ibalong 2025, Linel Navidad from Albay.
ang hinahanap na mutya, ang babaeng bukod tangi. Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap na bituin, beauty queen itong lahi. Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap na mutya, ang babaeng bukod tangi. Ikaw na nga ang hinahanap na bituin, beauty queen itong lahi. Ikaw na nga, hindi ka mawawala sa paningin.
Please take your victory walk as our new Mutya ng Ibalong 2025, Linel Navidad of Albay. This is your victory walk.
May we also request our city mayor and officials for a photo up on stage with our winners.